In this video, I want to talk about how you can add products from Zendrop onto your Shopify store. Now, one thing you can do is come here and press Add Apps, click on Shopify App Store, and once you're in here, you want to search for Zendrop. So you should add this one to your store. And then what you want to do is you want to head over to the Zendrop website, sign in or create the account, click Connect Store, and then you want to select the Shopify store. Once you've done that and it has access, you simply want to find a product on the dashboard. Once you've done that, you just want to click on it to import it. Once you have done that, you want to edit it so it's made how you want it to be. And then you simply want to click Push to Store. Once you've done that, it will be under your products, under in here, after you've done all of that and you made sure you connected it, and then it will be ready to go. So that is basically how it works, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.